Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Solishi's Cuisine. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple but delicious creamy pasta. First, put the pasta in a boil water with some salt and allow it boil or rather cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. I don't like my pasta to be too soft, neither do I also want it to be too hard. So you just boil until it is okay for you. Next, I'm going to season my shrimps with some seasoning cubes, salt, black pepper, and white pepper, and then set it aside while I prepare the other ingredients. So at this point, the pasta is ready and I'm just going to set it aside. Next, in a hot pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, after which I'm going to fry the shrimps. Because the shrimps has a lot of water, I'm just going to let it simmer into it until the water gets dry. As you can see, all the water of the shrimps has dried up and I'm just taking the shrimps out. After which, I will add my garlic into the same oil, saute it for 1 minute, and then add the onion, saute both of them for about 2 minutes. Next, I will add my chopped tomatoes, fry it until tender, basically until there is no water left. Next, I'll add all the dried ingredients and give it a proper mix. After all the other ingredients are well mixed together, add the cooking cream, give it a proper stir, after which you add the shrimps and mix everything again together. And then add your cheese into the cream sauce and mix everything together. Allow it to simmer for a little while and then you add the pasta and give it a proper mix together. So guys, the pasta is ready and the only thing left now for you to do is to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave a comment below if you try this recipe. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so and click the bell notification. And until I see you in my next one, stay safe. Bye bye.